The world is normally divided into 6 climate zones. These zones depend on several factors. The first main influence is temperature. If a country lies near the equator, it tends to be hot. But if it's near the poles, it's normally colder. A country can also have a cold climate if it's very mountainous, with most of its land sitting well above sea level. Wind direction can also influence climate. If winds are being blown from a hot area, they will raise temperatures. The opposite is also true. If winds have been blown from cold areas, they will lower temperatures. Closeness to the sea is also important in deciding a country's climate. That's because the sea cannot warm up or cool down as much as land. So coastal areas don't really experience extremes in temperature. But areas and countries well away from the influences of the sea can get very hot and very cold. Not every part of the world has the same seasons either. We have 4 seasons here in Scotland: summer, winter, autumn and spring. However, some countries only have 2 seasons, a wet season and a dry season, whilst countries on the equator can have the same temperature and weather all the year round. There are 6 different climate zones. These are temperate, where winters are cold and summers are mild; polar, where it's very cold and dry all year round; arid, where it stays dry and hot; tropical, where it stays hot and wet all of the year; Mediterranean, where the winters are mild and the summers hot and dry; mountainous, where it stays very cold throughout the year.